Hey there, everyone. This is Jen Filzen of Rockstar Marketing, and you have been on my mind a lot. So I thought that I would record this message versus type out a long email that you may or may not have time to read. Two things about marketing that I just wanted to offer to help you in the coming months and right now as we are in September, okay? First one, I saw something on Facebook from friends of mine here locally in Monterey County. So when I saw this, I thought, oh, I've got to share this with you. So the two of them were in their car. They have been doing road trips. They're retired, right? They don't want to fly. They don't want to get on a cruise, obviously, so they're road tripping, right? They had a breakdown on a Saturday. They had to call the tow truck. The tow truck driver came over and said, okay, I can tow you, but with COVID rules, I cannot have you in my vehicle with me. So I cannot bring you along with your vehicle. And all of the auto repair shops in this area, and it was pretty remote, are closed on Saturdays. So you might want to consider holding off on towing your vehicle, maybe leaving it here, get yourself a taxi, go stay overnight, like that whole thing. So these are things that people don't plan for or think of, especially in the COVID era. And we've got Labor Day weekend coming up, right? So a lot of people want a road trip. So I encourage you strongly, reach out to every single one of your clients and let them know that you are here to serve them with a pre-road trip inspection, because you don't want them to be stuck in a situation where they have to get a tow truck and they're in the same boat as this couple, right? They can't ride along with the tow truck driver. They can't find a shop that's open. And if they do get this inspection with you, right, and everything gets fixed before they take their trip on Labor Day weekend or what have you, then they are covered by the nationwide warranty. So that's something that I really, really want you to consider doing, because that will benefit your clients and in turn benefit you. The other thing that I want to address is, because this is an election year and because things are just kooky this year, like this whole year, like, have you ever been able to predict anything that's going to happen? Like, August was crazy, right? Like this whole year, right? Nothing surprises us anymore. So what I want to encourage you to do is lean into your marketing super, super hard last bit of Q3 and all of Q4, because people are going to want to travel for the holidays. They're tired of sitting at home. They're going to want to travel, and they need to make sure that their car is okay, right? Even if there's low mileage on it, you still need to make sure that nothing's going to break down, right? So what I would encourage you strongly to do is just lean into your relationships. Let your clients know that you're there for them. Make sure that you have a rock solid online presence, okay? Because when someone is saying, hey, Google, find me the nearest auto repair shop, you want them to direct them to you, okay? And then also too, like, think about this. When was the last time you updated your website? When was the last time you had a blog go up? Are you doing it every month? Because that's good for SEO. I was just on a client's website, and the last blog was February of 2019, right? So that leaves them vulnerable. That's not helping their SEO. Make sure that you have a good, solid social media presence, a good, solid blog presence. It doesn't cost you anything to reply to all those customer reviews. Make sure that you reply to them and dial for dollars. Like, call up your people, check to see if they're okay. Make a plan for their maintenance schedule, especially if they're going to do some trips, right? Go skiing, go see family, what have you, okay? So anyway, you've been on my heart. I hope this message finds you well. I hope you've had a really good summer and that money is kicking up for you. That is so great. But we don't know what the future holds for the rest. So my hope is that if you lean in and you reach out to your client base, that they're going to reciprocate and take care of you for the rest of 2020. Okay? I am your sister in support. I love you. I love everybody in this industry. If you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to call, because I would love to help you grow your business. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.